Maiko the monkey dreamed of being the best jumper in the whole jungle. He practiced every day, from sunrise to sunset, from the lowest vine to the highest branch. But no matter how hard he trained, he always missed the mark. It wasn't his legs that failed him. It was the noise inside his head. What if I miss the branch? What if the others are better? What if I'm not good enough? Overthinking, fear, doubt. His thoughts were a tangled vine, tripping him before he even leaped. One evening, tired of falling, Maiko climbed to the very top of the tallest tree where the old owl sat, wise and still. Maiko sighed. His shoulders slumped. Owl, I practice my jumps, but my mind jumps with worry. The old owl, with eyes that held the moon, listened patiently. He picked up a single smooth stone and dropped it into a puddle of still rainwater. The water shattered into 100 ripples. See, Maiko? The owl hooted softly. A noisy mind makes weak jumps. They watched as the ripples faded. The water stilled, reflecting the stars. Clear and deep. When the mind becomes quiet, the owl continued, the body remembers its strength. Maiko watched the clear water, and he finally understood. He started his training again, but this time he trained his mind first. He focused on his breath, in and out, slow and steady. He focused on his balance, the feeling of the branch beneath his feet. He focused on just one jump at a time. No overthinking, no fear, no doubt, only the present moment. One breath, one branch, one leap. His jumps became stronger, higher, smoother than ever before. And when the next jungle challenge arrived, Maiko didn't just jump. He flew with a quiet confidence, with a focused power, with a mind as clear as still water. He won, not because he tried harder, but because he learned to empty his mind and let his true ability shine. Moral: empty your mind, and your true ability will shine. A quiet mind is the start of a powerful leap.